Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. Weighted mean with tabular data. The scores on a test for a sample of 42 statistics students are summarized in the following table. So first, we need to find the mean score, and our answer should be rounded to at least one decimal place. So as always, I suggest that you click on the explanation. All right, so what you do is you kind of do the same thing you did before with the mean, but this time you are going to multiply it by the number. So if you look here, there are 7 students and they obtained a score of 90. So you're going to multiply 7 students times those scores. And then you have 15 students who scored 80, and then you multiply 15. Well, you add the first part, 7 times 90 plus 15 times 80, and then 11 times 70 plus, and then you take all of the numbers, right? Add them up. So if you look here, you have all of the numbers added up together, total how many students there are. So it says these are frequencies of the scores in a sample that has 42. Right, so right here is where I'm reading. 42 is the sample size. Okay, so once you let me delete all of that. So once you add them all up, you divide by 42, and your solution will be approximately 74.7619, which you round to one decimal place, and you end up with, oops, I made a check mark. You end up with approximately 74.8. Okay, so let's clear that out. Try another. All right, so what I'd like for you to do is pause the video and try this one yourself. Okay. So we'll have, and I'll try not to take up too much space. 3 multiplied by 7, and I'll write it all out, plus 13 multiplied by 8.25 plus 9 and 9.25 plus, I write so big, 12 times 10.75, and I'm going to use my calculator here, just my Desmos calculator. 3 and 7 plus 13 times 8.25 plus 9 times 9.25, just making sure that's right, plus 12 times 10.75. And I get a total, and you can check me as you go along, 340.5. And then I need to add up all of those number of employees. So we have 16. I just added 3 and 13. 16 plus 9 plus 12. And if I'm correct, it'd be 37 in total. So 340.5 divided by 37 is 9.2. So let's give it a try. So this is, well, let's say approximately equal to 9.2. And I need to delete all of that. So if you need to write all of that down, just pause the video. And then let's see. And we have 9.2. And there we go. Thank you for watching.